follow.
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Most honorable principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. India is regarded as the land of warriors and revolutionaries. The history of India has some shiny names that will be twinkling like the stars till the future generations. Many among them have a great contribution in making India an independent nation. This is very easy to say in words, but was a massive struggle. It was a massive struggle, and it is only because of our national heroes that India today holds the title that it is democratic. And there are some days allocated for the celebration of the events that remind us of the contribution of our national heroes. I think you all have heard of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It is the shining name in the history of India. He is the most one among the all brave national heroes of the country, and his birth anniversary is to be celebrated as Parakram Divas. Today we are celebrating the Parakram Divas, a day of pride, to celebrate Netaji's indomitable spirit and selfless service to the nation. What is meant by Parakram Divas? Parakram Divas is an event that is to be celebrated in the honor of a great leader and freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It has been decided by the Government of India and announced by Union Culture Ministry that the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose will be celebrated as Parakram Divas, and the first celebration took held on 23rd January 2021, which was 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The decision of celebration of Parakram Divas has been taken by the Government of India to remember and pay tribute to the contributions made by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for the nation during the struggle for independence. And the celebration of Parakram Divas will inspire the people of the nation and especially the younger generation. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack city of Odisha on 23rd January in the year 1897. He was a brilliant student. In 1919, he had cleared Indian Civil Services examination, but he was not satisfied with his job as he had to serve the Britishers rather than serve his own country. This made him leave this job and participate in the Indian freedom struggle. Netaji won the National Congress presidential election at Haripura in 1938. He was arrested several times and also done house arrest, but he never lose hope and somehow managed to escape from India and kept his mission of getting independence alive from the other countries. Netaji reached Japanese-controlled Singapore from Germany in 1943. Issued from there his famous call, Dilli Chalo, and announced the formation of Azad Hind government and the Indian National Army in 1943. This shows